In this video, we will show the installation of the WD Electronics replacement headlights for 2018 and newer Polaris Ranger XP 1000 models. For a guided installation of the entire Ranger XP 1000 turn signal kit, please refer to the video linked here and in the description. If your machine is equipped with a factory windshield, tilt it up out of the way. Rotate the two locks on the center hood panel and slide it forward to remove. Start on the driver's side fender. Remove the two bolts from the inside edge of the hood opening. Remove the plastic push pin at the rear of the panel located in the front door jamb. Now, remove the two fasteners from the front corner of the panel near the amber reflector sticker. Carefully, pop the panel free. There is a hose for the washer nozzle and the antenna sticker on the driver's side panel. Remove the washer nozzle hose to give you more room and set the panel aside. Repeat on the passenger side fender and remove the panel completely. Remove the connector on the headlight harness from each headlight by pressing down the locking tab and sliding the connector free. Now, you will remove the three Torx screws that mount each headlight to the bumper. Remove the two bottom mounting screws located in the wheel well. Remove the third mounting screw located on the top of the housing. With all three screws removed, carefully remove the headlight housing. Repeat on the other side to remove the other headlight housing. Install the WD replacement headlights into the bumper from the back side. Reuse the factory springs and Torx bolts to secure the new headlights. The two bottom mounting points have a sliding channel that can be used to adjust the headlights left and right. Refer to the instruction manual for your WD turn signal kit and disassemble the machine as necessary to access the control module. Locate the wiring harness for the headlights. Route the end of the harness with the 4 bullet terminals across the machine under the dash and feed the ends through the center firewall grommet. Locate the ends under the hood and pull the length through. Locate the red and white wires with driver's side labels near the bullet terminals. Route these 2 wires to the back of the driver's side headlight. Connect the red wire on the harness to the red wire on the housing, and connect the white wire on the harness to the brown wire on the housing. Connect the factory headlight harness to the connector on the back of the housing. Route the remaining white and black wires to the back of the passenger side headlight. Connect the black wire on the harness to the red wire on the headlight housing. Connect the white wire on the harness to the brown wire on the housing. Connect the factory headlight harness to the connector on the back of the housing. Connect the 4-pin connector on the headlight harness to the mating connector on the control module for your turn signal kit. Adjust the angle of your headlight beams according to the owner's manual for your machine. Test the functions of your headlights and reassemble. To ask us installation-related questions or to order a premium turn signal kit, please visit wdelectronics.com.